So, what's up sa inyo mga Visionary Squad? It's your homie, The Vision. And, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong Blood Strike Mobile. Ito na yung ating part 2. Alright? Okay, ang i-start natin ay Squad Fight Rank or SF Rank. Saka na muna ako magbabattle royale. Okay. Let's go. Okay, gamit kong striker ay si Ron. Let's go. Excuse me. Medyo nahihirapan lang ako magsalita ngayon. May problema lang ako sa throat. Medyo makate lang. Bumalik, may pagbakbakan. Isang backflip muna bago tayo mag-start. Yun. Isa pa, backflip ulit bago makipagbakbakan. Ayun. Atat na oh. Ay, atat na. Ready na silang gumagawa. Wait. I thought you were missing. Yo, calm down. Man, calm yourself up.
Gas them!
Taking fire!
Enemy! I'm down.
Ay,
Without my arm.
my bad.
Enemy hit!
Please help me.
I'm down!
Pangit ang simula namin.
Please help me. Gas them.
Enemy spotted!
Hoy, panalo. Biglang bumangon ako dahil nanalo kami. Okay. Oh my goodness. May panalo nyo. Kanya lahat. MVP siya. Okay. Backflip. Always do the backflip before the fight. Good luck sa yung backflip.
Enemy there. Gas them.
Enemy spotted!
Wait for me to reload. Enemy hit.
Hindi ko na pwedeng ipakita yung kalit yung
Using come to my defense. Ice wall. Reloading. Enemy.
Enemy spotted!
nga yung brutality. One top yarn. Ilang linya eh. Matindi laban. Mga ka-visionary squad, matindi ang mga labanin. O labanan pala. Sorry. Tinap ko muna yung sprint para automatically muna ng kaunti.
Using smoke grenade. Watch out for flash grenade.
Mali yung ginawa ko. Asan sila? Nandito. Ay! Wrong attack.
Come to my defense. Reloading.
Oy. Mas sumisilip ha. Ay.
Unacceptable. Down. I'm so used to it. Reloading. Using
On its way!
One more. Not one. Saan yung last elimination? Mga Visionary Squad, pero meron tayo ng problem this coming talaga October kasi magiging busy na ako muna. Maybe around of August. This August no, not August pala. November. Sorry. Nagkamali na.
Need assistance. I need assistance.
Weapon here.
Come to my defense. Ice wall. Taking hit. Go down. Please fight on.
Panalo. Clean sweep. Nagiging. Oh. Clean sweep. Winalis na ang team ko. Good job, team. Clean sweep tayo. Clean sweep. Bigyan natin sila ng walis. Kasi winalis natin ng kalaban, oh. Clean sweep. Ay, mali pala. Play din dapat. Yeah, hindi. Tama. Magpapalit ako ng striker. Oh, silver 3. This coming November kasi magiging pala ako. Mga this November. This October kasi magiging busy ako. Kaya wala mo ng gaming content. Magiging busy muna. Kaya wala akong muna kasi sa HOK naman inalis ko muna sa app ko dahil magano ko dito mag-end season na this November. Hahabol ko pa to. Patingin ko yung sa Battle Royale ko. Nasa Platinum 3 pa ako. Kaya habol ko pa sa season na. Kailangan ko maka-diamond. Ito pa yung highest rank, Minty. September 15 to November 14. Yan ang natin. Same as sa rank Sinova. My second favorite female character sa Bloodsport. Okay, second round ng SF rank. Okay. Guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe yan. Ring nyo na din yung bell for more next update for this game. Oh, someone chooses it. Ako naman. Turan ulit ako. Yan. Favorite ko na naman itong set. Inanahan ako sa paggamit ng ano ba yan? Favorite ko pa naman ito.
Reloading. Heading to the target.
Target location.
Heading to the target.
Target location. Target location.
Okay.
Let's go.
Target location.
Yes.
Taking hit. Watch out. Spotted. Come to my defense. Almost there.
Panalo na
Wait for them to
naman.
reload.
1-0 na naman. Ano ga? Good one, good one, good one. Minsan kasi naka-pistol airus muna kami lahat. Tapos yan, pwede na kami magano. Parang ano din. Backflip for good luck. Again. Zero. Ice powers yung ano niya eh. Ngayon wala ako ulit ng ice powers. Ginamit ko.
Hey, watch out.
Enemy struck.
Double kill.
Reloading.
Good one, good one, good one, good one. Sa akin yung ano. Magka-reload ko pa lang ha. Ayun o. Good one, good one, good one, good one. Weaponries.
Reloading.
Ang tapos ito. Wait na tayo ng armor natin. Magiging busy na muna this coming.
Heading to the target.
It's a private.
Gas them.
Hindi ko muna pwedeng sabihin ng pumasok.
Bullseye.
October, November na tayo.
The safe zone is shifting.
Pasaway! Am I looking for the third one? Where are you? Whoa, did you fly? Where is he, man? Your name is an emoji.
Close by.
Protected. Okay, last one! Last one, last one, last one, last one. Ayun pala siya, nagtatago. Okay, okay, okay. Para makapag-ano ko.
Reloading.
Yung para makapag-ano din ako. Makapag...
Heading to the target. Gas them.
In trouble. Release it.
You like your son.
Clean sweep! Another clean sweep! Winalis na naman, nagwalis na naman kami. Mga kampi ko. Hira. Walis na walis eh. Okay. Next up. Last one, last one, last one. Last one. Pag silver 2. Yan, magsi-silver 2 na. Konti na lang. Okay. Excuse me. And this 2026. Maybe this coming 2026 yung isa ko pang second channel na King of Swede maging ano ko na gaming content din. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong pwede kong i-game ano dun. Nag-iisip pa ako ulit.
Changing mag. Stay out of sight.
Ready na. Armor syempre ang ating top priority talaga. Backflip ba? Baba. Laban na talaga. Nasa sila.
Taking hit. Enemy hit. Come to my defense. Ice wall. Wait for me to reload.
The safe zone is shifting.
Wait for me to reload.
Ay, aid pala. Sorry. Yun, okay. Sorry. Kala ko kalabanin. Nalito lang ako. Oh my goodness. Uy, bawal! Naku! Nagpakita pa. I hope na si YouTube hindi ang maano sa akin. YouTube, please. Nasa replay lang yun. Tinatry ko sadyang i-skip. Wala talaga. Hindi ko ma-skip talaga yung naging scene na yun. I hope na hindi ka nagalit. Please, YouTube, ano lang yung automatically play. I hope na ano lang. Game naman yun. Kasi nagkamali lang talaga. Wala din. Hindi ako makano. Anong sniper pala siya, oh. Galing. I hope YouTube na hindi ka ano doon sa nangyaring replay. Brutality kasi. Hindi ko alam na naman na gaganunin nila yung sa enemy. Ganun takedown ng scenario yung mangyayari.
The safe zone is shifting.
Nasaan sila?
Wait for me to reload.
Yo! Kala ko kalaban. Kinabahan ako sa'yo, ah. Ay, ba't ako pumasok dito? Ang bihira naman. Ay. Nahulog pa ako dito.
Protection barrier up and running. Enemy spotted.
Come to my defense.
Okay, 3-0 na. Last one na. Pwede ko din laruin mga Visionary Squad yung isang game na ano. May isang game akong nakita. Sabihin ko na lang sa inyo kung yung title. Ganun. Baka magustuhan nyo din.
Weapon here.
I-play. Saka ko na ipapakita yung ano, pwede ko na lang papangalanan ko na lang. Ay, ano ba yan?
Taking hit. Watch out. Enemy hit.
Ow!
Round is on.
Come on! Self-revive ako, dali!
The calculation.
Ice wall.
Up and running.
Made you.
Catching up. Stay out of sight.
Wait for me to reload.
Mag-heal ako.
Wait for Wait for me to reload.
Good one. Good one, good one, good one. Teka, sino ang karakter ko? Nakalimutan ko na. Ang baba ng kills ko, pwede. Okay lang naman. Kahit hindi ako nag-MVP. At least I did my best. Parang kunting support lang ako kanila. Oh my goodness! Silver 2. Next up. Moving on. Squad fight na. Battle Royale naman tayo. Okay, BR naman. BR or Battle Royale lang. Yan na. Ito, last one na. Yung last kasi mahaba yung naging ano na, then yung part 1. Kaya yun. Okay, si Nova nang gagamitin ko dito. Ano ito, tubig? Solo muna, Battle Royale. Last one na to mga biging. Last one na. Let's go! Final game.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Okay, mamimili tayo ng location natin. Amusement Plaza or it's either Amusement Plaza or Radar Site or Campground Hospital Arena. Kailangan ko lang din mag-ingat. Ay, nabindot. Wala pa pala. Bihira. May hawak kong pistolero. Yun ng other players. Madami tayo. 147 players. Ay, nandito na tayo sa ano, Amusement Plaza. Oy, slow it. Okay. Good landing, by the way. Nah, I don't use shotgun. Di ko nga alam kung bakit shotgun, hindi, pistol yung start ng game. Kung saan. Uy, wait lang. Crouch pala ako. Para hindi ako makita ng kalaban. Ako nasa garage. Nasa garage ako ngayon. I wasted 2 bullets. I'm so... You know. Bad.
Airdrop incoming.
Kailangan ko din mag-alert dito sa place ko. It's either na maraming kalaban dito. Yo, 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 yo. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. Someone is coming.
Gas them. Gas them. The safe zone is shifting. Reloading. Like that. Pathetic. Reloading.
Describe. Kung ako i-describe kong character ko, I don't know.
Using bandage.
It's so cringe if I describe my character I'm using right now. Oh. Oh, pumpkin. Nga pala, Halloween is coming, by the way.
UAV support called in.
Open natin. Oh my gulay. Ang dami nila. Nag-UAV call ako.
Taking fire. Bullseye. Target eliminated.
Ay, paano talaga ako? Nanggigigil ng kamay ko eh.
Reloading.
Ano yun?
Using bandage.
Let's go. Ay, palabas na yun pala sa ano, sa zone. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Ay, may pang self-revive ako. Ayos, 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 ayos.
UAV support called in. Loadout called in.
Ito mo, hindi ba pwedeng bumili ng Indomie? Ay, gulat ko dun ah. All goods na. Tara na.
UAV support called in.
3K na lang. Ayokong sugurin ng mga anong to, mga kalaban. Baka ma-eliminated pa ako. Makuha pa yung loot ko. Oh! Excuse me. Medyo lang may konting sore throat lang ako. Ang vision is good. Ito na din ang meron. Excuse me. Nakapalaban tayo ng maigi ah. Kailangan maging alert ako sa mga kalaban. 25 na lang pa lang. Ang dami nung na-eliminated. Yung 25 na yun. Means,
A safe zone has been redefined. Fire. Target eliminated. Using medic pack.
Enemy.
Gas them.
Whoa. Dude.
Reloading. Down. This is unacceptable.
Come on, self-revive! No! No! Attitude adjustment and the punch. Oh my goodness! AA with the beat down on the chest. Oh my gulay. Surprise! Kala mo, eliminated na ako, no? Count lang nga lang. Nasa 10 na sila, kasama na ulit ako dun. Pag nawalan na ng cooldown, tapos na ako. Lats na tayo. Talo na. Oh my gulay. Nandun siya. Dam ko. Hindi worth it tong weapon natin ngayon. I hope na kayanin ito ng weaponry ko.
Taking fire. Reloading. Gas them.
Oh no! Eliminated ako! Rank 9! Siya ba yung umano sa akin kanina? Siya ba din yung nag-ano sa akin kanina? Oh my gulay! Ito lang yung highlights natin, no? Top 9 lang, hindi ko na papakita ng maramihan. Who eliminated me? How did he survive on my attacks? Did he cheat? Did he cheated? No, within 1 minute, hindi siya yun. One more. Oh my gulay. Paano nangyari yun? Last one. Lahat kasi ng karakter na ginamit ko nun, puro boys eh. Puro boys naman, ano ba? Lalaki din ako, kailangan ko din mag-try. I hope na last one na to, where's my squad? Last one na to.
The safe zone has been redefined.
It's either na pupunta akong prison o boiler room. Residential ko. Residential na ako. Kabisadong galaw ko eh. Pag talagang platinum na talaga, pag high rank na talaga mahirap ng ano. Kaya gaya nga dun sa nilaro ko nga nun, yung Code M, which is mataas nga talaga yung level up dun. I hope hindi ganda ko ma-eliminated. Aga naman. Please show your mercy, ha? Mercy Boko. Okay. Red. Ay, nasa ano na pala, nabugyo na na. Wala pala, nako naman. Baka mawala pa ako.
UAV support called in.
Tapos pupuntahan natin, nandun sila, marami. Parang
The
dalawa.
safe zone is shifting.
Naku, makabutan ako ng zone. Hindi na pala nakapasok na ako sa circle. Something's wrong with my foot.
Loadout airdrop incoming.
Target eliminated. Down. Oh, this is unacceptable. Good run, team.
How? 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 Nagtripan ako. That is not acceptable. Like no bucket. It's not acceptable. Kahit nag top 10 man lang ako, dali na. Yo, 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 yo. Someone's here, someone's here, someone's here. Someone's here. Up there. Up there.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Up here.
UAV support called in.
Ay. MCX. Climb up, climb up.
Taking fire. Gassed. Reloading. Using bandage. Attack.
The safe zone is shifting.
Nakabawi sa dogs. So funny, like that's not gonna say the bad word.
Loadout called in. The safe zone has been redefined.
Nasaan yung logo? Don't tell me it's on the roof. Wait, careful. New location to eh. Wala.
The safe zone is shifting.
We're under attack. Down. This is unacceptable.
No, this is unacceptable. How did you do that? How did you survive?
The safe
Did you
zone
cheat?
is shifting.
It's cheating. It's cheating. It's cheat. I know. I smell cheat. I smell a cheat on that dude. On the elimination. Paano niya eliminate while using a pistol?
The safe zone has been redefined.
Yo, be careful, be careful, be careful!
Reloading.
Wala na, hindi na ako makaka-spawn nito. Just to be careful na lang tayo. Upstairs.
Reloading.
I'm down.
Again, no!
Good run, team.
They know my move. They know my move. I think he is cheating. He or she, whatever. Maybe she is cheating.
The safe zone is
I
shifting.
can sense it.
Loadout airdrop
I
incoming.
know myself. I would never do that. Doing some cheats. They're not following the rules. They have their own rules here.
The safe zone has been
Reloading.
redefined.
Taking fire.
Ow! 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 Ouch! It hurts! It hurts! It hurts! It hurts! How? 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 How did it happen? They know my movement. A few, only a few. Felt that I got him. Yung isa, naka-eliminate sa akin 5 minutes view. I know someone who's cheating here. I can sense it. Nafe-feel ko kasi. Nafe-feel ko may nag-cheat. Pinalo ko pa yung hita ko ngayon. Nagagalit na eh. Nagagalit na tuloy ako. Ah! Last one. Last one na to. Last one na. Kaya lagi tumataas ang aking ano. Lagi ako na out. Nakakabisado nila yung movements ko. Ay, ay, ay. Si ano na munang gagamitin ko? Si... No, not Katya. Saka ka na. Si Ran. Best girl ko to eh. Ang top 1 girl ko ay si Ran. Good luck charm ko ni. Doing some backflips. Last one. Baka sa susunod, mga ka-Visionary Squad, if gagawa akong gameplay, magsasilent lang ako. Talking muna.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Ginawa ko nung before. Kaya Amusement Plaza ulit. Right there, sir. Look, arena. I will try ng this. No, hindi kaya sa arena. Ito naman. Amusement Plaza lang ako. Nantag. Ang weird na nun eh. SMG ang bullet ng ano. Medyo loudy ako. Nahanap ako nito.
It's peaceful. Eliminated. Wait for me to reload. Using taking hit. Watch out. Wait for me to reload.
Yun, hit na. Hindi naman kami smoke grenade.
Using bandage.
Baka itong sira nang magbigay ng ano sa atin. Nung panalo. Ran, I hope you give me a...
Wait for me to reload.
Loadout airdrop incoming.
Give me your charm, girl. Nung last ikaw may dala ng sorte.
It's peaceful. Wait for me to reload.
I'm an air striker. Parang ano naman yung sa ano ng fighter jet. Diba yun yung name din?
Wait for me to
Lagay ko
reload.
nung ano yung aim button.
The safe zone is shifting.
I don't
Using
wanna
bandage.
use sniper during this. Pwede ko siyang gamitin doon sa squad fight rank kanina. Pero pag gandong battle royale, no, that's no. Hoy, pwede makahiga. Higa. Ano pala, natutulog na ako. Joke lang. Not again!
Wait for me to reload.
Can you swim? Why we can walk on water? Press natin yung screen habang ako naglalagay.
UAV support called in.
May dalawa din sa pupuntahan natin.
UAV support called in.
Sa may raider site. Umabot na naman ang aking episode. Dahil nasa...
Taking hit. Cover me.
Oh!
Enemy hit. Come to my defense. I swear. Wait for me to reload. bandage. Get yourself to the power of ice.
Yun ang gusto ko.
Using bandage.
Unstoppable talaga.
Wait for me to reload.
Oh, baka mapasobra. Wait lang. Try.
UAV support called in.
Ayun, nasa may radar site. Nasa may site sila nandun.
Taking hit. Cover me. Enemy hit. Wait for me to reload. Wicked sick. Wait for me to reload.
UAV support called in.
Meron dito sa lugar ko. Ayun, magtitipon-tipon sila. 26. Total of 25. It means kasama na ako doon. Sa counting natin. Oh my goodness. This is hard.
Using bandage.
Ay, hindi pa yun ang ginamit kong isa. Medpack.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Natin, hindi pa yung ginamit yung medicine. Inhaler. Calm down ourselves. Okay, just calm down. Okay, let's go.
Taking hit. Cover me.
Hindi niya alam kung saan ako. Come on.
Enemy hit. Out my defense. Ice wall. Taking hit. Cover me.
The safe zone is shifting.
Using bandage.
Pag naubos na yung wala na yung revivable natin, bye-bye na.
Wait for me to reload.
Hindi na tayo makaka-load na ulit. Nakaka-respawn ng automatically. May nagmamandun ko. Nagpa-fight. Yun, my God. Here upstairs. Climb up.
Wait, taking hit. Cover me. Out my defense. Ice wall. Get yourself to the power of ice. Using first aid kit.
First aid. Just go ahead, girl. Run. So run talaga. May charm talaga tong girl na to.
Wait for me to reload. Ace kit. Cover me.
Oh my gulay.
Wait for me to reload.
Am I gonna break my record for this? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung naging record ko nun. Amay, nawala na ako sa zone. No! Climb up muna tayo. Run, run, run. I'm not calling her name. I'm just saying run. Takbo na, dali. Abang ano. Tapos prepare na yung weaponry natin. 30 seconds. Kailangan na natin bilisan.
Taking hits.
Continue pa
Watch out.
lang. Continue na.
Enemy
Laki na ng ano natin, oh.
himself to the power of ice.
Oh my gulay. Nasa 56 minutes ng game natin, oh. Ating gameplay. Umabot na tayo sa ating 57 minutes. Oh my, 11 na lang. 11 elimination na. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan na ako dito. Kakunti na lang yung enemies. Teka, try kong anuhin.
UAV support called in.
Nasa cooldown ba yung ano natin? Umabot na tayo ng 57 minutes. Nasa 5 gig na yung ano ko. Recording. Oh my, kaya na nag-i-slow pala. Kailangan ko nang matapos talaga itong game.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Wait for me to reload. Enemy hit. Ice eliminated. Wicked sick.
Okay, kaya pa to. Dali! Napahaba yung ano natin, oh. Guys, napahaba ngayon ng ano natin, oh. Napahaba na.
Wait for me to reload.
Matatagalan ng upload nito, ha.
The safe zone is
Abangan nyo na lang mamaya.
Wait for me to reload.
Napalabas ko sila para ano talaga. Oh my god, almost 1 hour! Guys, almost 1 hour na tayo. Mga Visionary Squad, almost 1 hour na tayo
Watch out
dito.
for grenade.
Oh my goodness.
Using smoke grenade.
UAV support called in.
Yun, nandito lang sila. Wala na, disable na yung ano natin. Hindi na tayo makapag-respawn. Okay lang yan. Sana na tayo. Oh my goodness! 59 minutes na! Ang taas, no?
UAV support called in.
Naku, maabutan ako ng zone.
Using bandage.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Oh my. Oh no, no.
Taking hit. Other enemy hit. Ice eliminated.
Wicked sick.
Last one na. Aabot na tayo ng 1 hour. No! 1 hour na to. Road to 1 hour.
UAV support
Final na to.
called in.
Ayun, nandun siya sa ano, sa last zone. Guys, mga Visionary Squad, for the first time on my career kasi ano, umabot ako ng ganito.
Wicked the power of reload.
That's it! That's all! That's all mga ka-Visionary Squad. For the first time in my YouTube career, umabot ako ng 1 hour dito sa gameplay ko. Hindi ko na papakita yung highlights kasi hindi nakakayanin ng phone ko. So, ano lang, so that's it. So that's it lang mga ka-Visionary Squad. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ring nyo ng bell for more next gantong update ng Bloodstrike Mobile. Hindi ako makapaniwala na umabot ako ng gantong 1 hour sa gameplay ko. So, ayun lang. Stay safe mga ka-Visionary Squad and advance Merry Christmas sa inyo and Paalam na. Bye-bye. Peace.